क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मैंने इसे खो दिया है। I have lost it. I have lost it. मैं तुमसे सहमत हूं। I agree with you. I agree with you. क्या ये दर्द हो रहा है? Does it hurt? Does it hurt? तुम मेरे लिए ये कर सकते हो। Can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? मुझे अधिक जानकारी चाहिए। I need more information. I need more information. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मैं उसे नहीं जानता। I don't know him. I don't know him. मुझे ये सुनकर खुशी हुई। I am glad to hear that. I am glad to hear that. ये बहुत भारी है। This is too heavy. This is too heavy. क्या तुम मुझे देख सकते हो? Can you see me? Can you see me? मुझे ये विचार पसंद है। I like this idea. I like this idea. ये कैसे हो सकता है? How can this happen? How can this happen? कृपया यहाँ रुकिए। Please stop here. Please stop here. मैंने तुम्हें पहले देखा है। I have seen you before. I have seen you before. मैं डर गया था। I was scared. I was scared. तुम मुझे बताओ। You tell me. You tell me. वो मेरा दोस्त है। He is my friend. He is my friend. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? मुझे ये स्वीकार नहीं है। I don't accept this. I don't accept this. ये रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? क्या तुमने अपना काम खत्म किया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? मुझे चिंता हो रही है। I am worried. I am worried. तुम मुझे गले लगाओ। Hug me. Hug me. क्या तुम मुझसे सहमत हो? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? मैं खो गया था। I was lost. I was lost. तुम मेरे सबसे अच्छे दोस्त हो। You are my best friend. You are my best friend. ये कितना दूर है? How far is it? How far is it? मुझे एक पल के लिए रुकने दो। Let me stop for a moment. Let me stop for a moment. तुम मुझे चकित करते हो। You amaze me. You amaze me. वो मुझसे क्या चाहता है? What does he want from me? What does he want from me? मुझे यहाँ रहना पसंद है. I like staying here. I like staying here. क्या तुम मुझे अकेले छोड़ सकते हो? Can you leave me alone? Can you leave me alone? इसे यहाँ रख दो. Put it here. Put it here. मुझे ये बात पसंद नहीं आई. I didn't like what was said. I didn't like what was said. वो कितना समय लेगा? How much time will it take? How much time will it take? तुम मेरी बहुत मदद करते हो. You help me a lot. You help me a lot. मैं उसे दोबारा देखना चाहता हूँ. I want to see him again. I want to see him again. क्या ये बारिश होने वाली है? Is it going to rain? Is it going to rain? मैंने सोचा था कि तुम जानते हो. I thought you knew. I thought you knew. वो मुझे हंसाता है. He makes me laugh. He makes me laugh. कृपया ये संदेश पढ़ें. Please read this message. Please read this message. मैं उसे नहीं देख सकता. I can't see him. I can't see him. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? क्या तुमने किसी को बुलाया? Did you call someone? Did you call someone? मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this. I can't do this. ये बहुत छोटा है. That's too small. That's too small. आप मुझे समझाएंगे? Will you explain to me? Will you explain to me? क्या तुम मुझे माफ कर सकते हो? Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. आप कब तक यहाँ रहेंगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? मैं इसे नहीं खरीद सकता. I can't buy this. I can't buy this. क्या तुमने ये सुना? Did you hear this? Did you hear this? तुम मुझे कब मिलोगे? When will you meet me? When will you meet me? तुम धीरे से करो. Do it gently. Do it gently. मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand this. I didn't understand this. तुम मुझे क्यों बुला रहे हो? Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? ये बहुत लंबा है. This is very tall. This is very tall. मैंने तुम्हारी बात सुनी. I heard what you said. I heard what you said. ये कहां से खरीदा गया था? Where was this bought from? Where was this bought from? क्या ये सब आपका है? Is all this yours? Is all this yours? मुझे यहां रहना है. I want to stay here. I want to stay here. तुम्हारा नंबर क्या है? What is your number? What is your number? मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं भूल सकता. I can never forget you. I can never forget you. कृपया यहां से हट जाइए. Please move from here. Please move from here. वो मुझे डराता है. He scares me. He scares me. मैं बाद में कॉल करूंगा. I will call later. I will call later. क्या तुम मेरी तस्वीर ले सकते हो? Can you take my picture? Can you take my picture? वो कब तक रुकेगा? How long will he stay? How long will he stay? मुझे यहां से जाना होगा. I have to go from here. I have to go from here. क्या आपने अपना फैसला लिया? Have you made your decision? Have you made your decision? तुम मुझे इंतजार करवा रहे हो. You are making me wait. You are making me wait. मुझे ठीक से याद नहीं. I don't remember well. I don't remember well. क्या आप मुझे जगह दिखा सकते हैं? Can you show me the place? Can you show me the place? मैं इसे सहन नहीं कर सकता. I can't tolerate this. I can't tolerate this. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? मुझे ये बहुत जरूरी है. This is very important to me. This is very important to me. तुम मुझे कितनी बार बुलाओगे? How many times will you call me? How many times will you call me? मुझे जल्दी उठना है. I have to wake up early. I have to wake up early. मुझे उसे कॉल करना है. I have to call him. I have to call him. ये मेरा कमरा है. This is my room. This is my room. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? मुझे कुछ बताना है. I have to tell something. I have to tell something. मुझे चिंता नहीं है. I have no worries. I have no worries. ये मेरा सपना था. This was my dream. This was my dream. मुझे इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care about it. I don't care about it. मुझे समय पर पहुंचना है. I have to reach on time. I have to reach on time. तुम मेरी प्रेरणा हो. You are my inspiration. You are my inspiration. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या तुम मेरी बात सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? मुझे थोड़ा आराम चाहिए. I need some rest. I need some rest. मुझे उसे देखना है. I have to see him. I have to see him. ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. This is my responsibility. This is my responsibility. मुझे सच्चाई चाहिए. I need the truth. I need the truth. ये मेरे लिए जरूरी है. This is important for me. This is important for me. तुम हमेशा सही कहते हो. You always say right. You always say right. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I want nothing. I want nothing. मुझे अब रुकना है. I have to stop now. I have to stop now. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? ये बहुत अच्छा अनुभव है. This is a good experience. This is a good experience. मुझे शांति चाहिए. I need peace. I need peace. मुझे इस पर भरोसा नहीं. I don't trust this. I don't trust this. मुझे वहां पहुंचना है. I have to reach there. I have to reach there. तुम बहुत होशियार हो. You are very smart. You are very smart. ये बहुत आसान लगता है. This seems very easy. This seems very easy. क्या तुम मुझे सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? मुझे आज अच्छा लग रहा है. I feel good today. I feel good today. मुझे अपने लक्ष्य तक पहुंचना है. I must reach on my goal. I must reach on my goal. मुझे डर नहीं लगता. I don't feel afraid. I don't feel afraid. तुम मेरे अच्छे दोस्त हो. You are my good friend. You are my good friend. मुझे अभी जाना है. I have to go now. I have to go now. ये बहुत अनमोल है. This is very precious. This is very precious. मुझे इस पर यकीन नहीं. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. ये बहुत दिलचस्प है. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. मुझे ये काम खत्म करना है. I have to finish this work. I have to finish this work. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. I am enjoying a lot. I am enjoying a lot. ये मेरा अपना फैसला है. This is my own decision. This is my own decision. मुझे उसे कॉल करना है. I must call him. I must call him. मुझे अपने ऊपर गर्व है. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मुझे उससे मिलना है. I have to meet her. I have to meet her.